Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update guys, and what an amazing look of SLP guys. I'm loving how it's looking. Okay, I really like how it's looking. Now yesterday I did talk about SLP trying to come near this trend line over here, but you might see SLP actually not coming all the way down to touch the trend line, and it might start to pick from here from tomorrow, go up, make a morning star, and then from here you pick to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. I think guys, this is the end of the retracement to the downside. I think this is a nice lovely entry opportunity, and from here you go up like this from tomorrow, and then you start to move to the upside. Now keep in mind we do have a bullish cross that is about to happen of the 10 and the 20. The 10 is also up here nearly this place, so it could look good. It could look good guys, and to me this trend line might not be touched, and this is where you might start to see another new rally to the upside. So if that rally comes in, I will say that it's going to be a rally where you're just going to have to follow the bull cross. Okay, you're going to have the bull cross acting as your level of support until it doesn't get lost. So one day in the future I am expecting this high to be taken out. I completely expect that, at least expect this to happen. I don't know if this coin is gonna 10x or 20x in the future, but I do see this can actually be a 2-3x coming in the future in here. Okay, it's doing all the necessary steps right now. All you're doing is you're having a low, a higher low. Even if you do come down here, you're gonna put a nice higher low. Now unless I'm gonna tell you, you don't lose this trend line, you don't lose the trend line, you are okay. If you lose the trend line, it could still potentially be that you come down here, make a double bottom, and then you start to move from there. So basically the daily time frame is something that is looking good more than the other time frame. I just wanted to turn into the log scale. Okay, just gonna go back into the log scale anyway, but this to me guys is looking actually very good for continuation to the upside. It's just a small retracement which was expected, and that's okay. So if I turn on the HEIKEN HASHI, let's see what the HEIKEN HASHI does say. And the HEIKEN HASHI at this point of time is a little bit bullish actually, to be honest with you. So when you see in a downtrend like this, you start to make one green candle on the weekly for the HEIKEN HASHI, do expect the next coming weeks to be actually bullish. Okay, so because in history, anytime you make one green wick candle, the second week also becomes green at least. Okay, anytime you did that. So HEIKEN HASHI is a little bit of a cheat sheet out there for the candlestick, and if you guys want to learn more about the HEIKEN HASHI and stuff like that, you can take my trading course, and I do have a discount for you. If you want to pay in cryptocurrency, you're gonna get it for $29. So for that, you can inbox me on my Discord. Join the Discord, it's absolutely free if you're interested in that. So if you can pay using the debit card and other things, it's 49, and using crypto it's gonna be 29, because why not, I do want to actually sponsor cryptocurrencies out there. And that's it for this update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.